After months of rumors, whispers, and leaks popping up all over the internet, Samsung has finally made it official. The next big Galaxy event is happening on July 9. And yep, that's when we'll be meeting the next generation of Galaxy devices. They even dropped a teaser video, and it definitely hints at the sleeker-than-ever Galaxy Z Fold 7. Plus, if you're someone who likes to be first in line, Samsung's already opened up free reservations on their website. The big show's going down in Brooklyn, New York, and Samsung's teasing it as the reveal of the next evolution of Galaxy AI and updates to its ever-growing Galaxy ecosystem. While they didn't name-drop the devices in their announcement, the teaser makes it pretty obvious. Expect that super slim Z Fold 7 to be front and center. And about that teaser, it uses a refreshed version of Samsung's iconic over-the-horizon theme, though some folks swear it sounds suspiciously like something from Super Mario Odyssey. But this event isn't just about foldables. Samsung's also dropping a bunch of wearables. We're talking the Galaxy Watch 8, the classic version, and a beefed-up Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Plus, new earbuds are also in the pipeline. And if you're thinking of snagging something, now's the time to hop on those free reservations. No money down, no strings attached. Just toss in your email and boom, you've got $50 Samsung credit waiting when the devices launch. Usually, that credit goes toward accessories, like one of those new smartwatches, but sometimes they let you use it toward the main devices too. This time, it's aimed at ecosystem goodies, watches, buds, and other Galaxy gear. Bonus perks. Yep, link the reservation to your Samsung account, and you get 3x Samsung rewards points, which can be redeemed for more Galaxy stuff later. And get this, one lucky person who reserves will score a $5,000 prize, even if they don't buy anything. Not bad for typing in your email. Samsung's also teasing up to $1,150 in savings through trade-ins and promos, so there's definitely room to snag a great deal. Reservations are officially open now and close on July 8, right before the big event. And just to be clear, these are only available directly through Samsung's website. As for the devices themselves, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is looking like a serious upgrade. Thinner design, new cameras, bigger displays, the works. The Flip 7 is also getting a major refresh with a new cover screen that could rival Motorola's Razr. And the Galaxy Watch 8. Expect a brand new design there too. So, are you hyped for Samsung's next big reveal? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're most excited about. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay techy.